Hi there, and welcome to Storytime with Uncle Bill. I got the little baby birds here. It's been 3 or 4 hours. You see, we cut down the bush that they were in, 3/4 of it. The mama has came back a few times and fed them, so she hasn't abandoned them. She didn't take me to death. That's all. He must be the protector of them, the big brother. You can't no longer see. I don't mean you no harm, guys. Hey, you want to be? I would love to be your friends. I wonder how much longer you got to be the friends for a bird. I don't know. Never really had a bird for a friend. All right. Now we're actually coming back here tomorrow to mow the grass. So, look at the old big brother or sister being a protector. That is so cool to see. Kind of wish I had some worms for them, so maybe we try to remember to bring them. I need some worms for fishing anyway. Man, they're so cool. Oh shit! He jumped. Get back in there, little buddy. Oh, I'm so scared. Look at him. Oh, you little ugly little thing. Oh, why did you do that? You want to be my friend? No, you can't go in there. Oh, Lord. Oh, man. Oh, here come the mama. Is that the mama right there? Yep. Oh, man. I'm so sorry. Say if you're touching the mom won't abandon them. Can you go back home? She's right there. Oh, I done lost the bird, folks. Oh, no, there it is. There it is. Come here, little buddy. Uh-oh. 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 Go home. Go home. I'm trying to help their mom and daddy. I can't believe I did this. I don't know what to do. Dad's over here, they're ticking and clicking. Can you hear them? Why did you jump? I am so sorry. But he did fly. That's a good sign. There's the mama right there. Okay. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button. Share the video, subscribe if you haven't.